Welcome to our video tutorial on how to make money in virtual real estate. In this digital age, the world of virtual reality has opened up incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors alike. Today, we will explore the exciting world of virtual real estate and learn how you can start generating income from this booming industry. Number 1. Research virtual worlds. Start by researching virtual worlds that support virtual real estate transactions. Some popular virtual worlds include Decentraland, CryptoVoxels, Somnium Space, The Sandbox, and Second Life. Understand their platforms, user base, and potential for growth. User base and activity. Look for virtual worlds with an active and engaged user base. Check for statistics on the number of users, concurrent players, and the level of activity within the virtual world. High user activity indicates a potentially larger market for virtual real estate. Platform and technology. Assess the platform and technology behind the virtual world. Consider factors like the graphics quality, user interface, stability, and compatibility with various virtual reality devices. A well-developed and user-friendly platform can enhance the overall experience and attract more users. Developer support and tools. Check if the virtual world provides robust developer support and tools for creating virtual real estate. Look for documentation, developer forums, software development kits, SDKs, or APIs that allow you to design and build virtual properties effectively. Economy and currency. Explore the virtual world's economy and currency system. Some virtual worlds have their own native currency or use cryptocurrencies like Ethereum for transactions. Understand how the virtual economy works, including earning and spending opportunities, exchange rates, and any restrictions on buying or selling virtual assets. Number 2. Learn the market. Study the virtual real estate market within these virtual worlds. Analyze trends, property prices, and the demand for different types of virtual properties. Look for areas or virtual neighborhoods that are popular or expected to appreciate in value. Market analysis. Conduct a comprehensive analysis of the virtual real estate market. Look for reports, articles, or case studies that provide insights into market trends, growth projections, and key players. Identify the size of the market and its potential for future expansion. Virtual world research. Dive into the specific virtual worlds where virtual real estate transactions take place. Explore the platforms, user demographics, and user behavior within each virtual world. Understand the rules and mechanics governing virtual property ownership, transfer, and monetization. Property types and demand. Identify the different types of virtual properties available in the market. These could include virtual and buildings, homes, art galleries, event spaces, or virtual businesses. Determine the demand for each property type based on user preferences, popular activities within the virtual world, and current trends. Pricing and valuation. Analyze pricing trends and valuation methods used in the virtual real estate market. Study recent transactions and sales data to understand the pricing dynamics. Factors that influence property value may include location, size, aesthetic appeal, proximity to attractions, and historical sales data. Competitor analysis. Identify and analyze other virtual real estate investors or developers who are active in the market. Study their strategies, successful projects, marketing techniques, and pricing strategies. Learn from their experiences and find ways to differentiate yourself or uncover untapped opportunities. Number 3. Invest in virtual land. Purchase virtual land within the virtual world of your choice. This usually involves using cryptocurrency as the primary form of payment. Choose strategic locations, such as near popular attractions or in high-traffic areas, as these tend to attract more visitors and potential buyers. Research virtual world policies. Fully understand the policies and guidelines regarding virtual land ownership within the virtual world you're interested in. Different virtual worlds may have varying rules on land acquisition, transferability, usage rights, and revenue sharing. Ensure that the virtual world aligns with your investment goals and offers favorable conditions for land ownership. Evaluate virtual world popularity. Assess the popularity and user base of the virtual world. Look for virtual worlds with a growing community, active user engagement, and a stable or expanding user base. A vibrant and active virtual world provides more potential for demand and appreciation of virtual land. Identify desirable locations. Identify desirable locations within the virtual world. Consider factors such as proximity to popular attractions, high-traffic areas, community hubs, or areas with future development potential. Desirable locations are more likely to attract visitors, potential buyers, and offer greater opportunities for monetization. Assess land scarcity. Evaluate the scarcity of virtual land within the virtual world. Limited availability of virtual land can increase its value over time, similar to scarcity in physical real estate. Research if the virtual world has a finite supply of land or if new land is periodically released. Understanding land scarcity can help you make informed investment decisions. Number 4. Develop your virtual property. Once you own virtual land, you can start building or developing virtual properties on it. Design and create virtual buildings, homes, art installations, or unique experiences. Ensure that your virtual property stands out and offers something valuable to visitors. Conceptualize your vision. Begin by conceptualizing your vision for the virtual property. Consider the purpose, theme, or experience you want to create. Determine the target audience and the unique value proposition your virtual property will offer. Visualize the design, layout, and overall ambience you want to achieve. Plan the layout and design. Create a detailed plan for the layout and design of your virtual property. Consider factors such as navigation, flow, and functionality. Map out different areas, zones, or rooms to optimize the user experience. Incorporate elements that align with your vision, such as landscaping, architectural styles, or interactive features. Engage with virtual builders or designers. If you don't possess the necessary design or building skills, collaborate with virtual builders or designers within the virtual world. Seek out experienced professionals who can bring your vision to life. Provide them with clear instructions, references, or sketches to ensure they understand your requirements. Customize and decorate. Customize your virtual property to make it unique and appealing. Choose textures, colors, furniture, and decor items that align with your theme and target audience. Pay attention to details and create a cohesive and immersive environment. Experiment with lighting, sound effects, or animations to enhance the overall experience. Number 5. Host events and activities. Organize events, parties, or virtual experiences on your property to attract visitors. Collaborate with other users, virtual influencers, or brands to create engaging and immersive experiences that people will want to attend. This can help increase the visibility and value of your virtual property. Identify marketable virtual goods or services. Determine the type of virtual goods or services that have market demand within the virtual world. This can include virtual clothing, accessories, furniture, virtual currencies, custom avatars, virtual pets, or specialized services like virtual event planning or virtual property landscaping. Research existing virtual marketplaces or in-world stores to understand what is currently popular. Create high-quality virtual assets. Develop high-quality virtual assets that align with the market demand. Pay attention to details, aesthetics, and functionality. If you lack the necessary skills, collaborate with virtual asset creators or designers to bring your ideas to life. Ensure that your virtual goods or services stand out and provide value to potential buyers. Set competitive pricing. Determine competitive pricing for your virtual goods or services. Consider factors such as the market value, production costs, demand, and the perceived value by users. Research similar virtual items or services to gauge appropriate pricing ranges. It's important to strike a balance between affordability and profitability. Establish an in-world store or marketplace presence. Set up an in-world store or establish a presence on virtual marketplaces within the virtual world. Design an appealing store layout or create an attractive marketplace listing to showcase your virtual goods or services. Provide clear and enticing descriptions, images, or videos to highlight the features and benefits. Thanks